Hi guys, very good morning to one and all. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri, and today we have Monday, a very sideways kind of market and dull today. No volumes are there, so totally a sort of a kind of where you can quit trading today and move on to like tomorrow, because tomorrow we have expiry of Sensex. So maybe the move we are expecting maybe is possible. It will be going to towards the buy side. I will be looking for only, because my setup is only buy on dip today, as per as the data is negative, but price action is not saying to me go on the selling side. So I will be totally going to avoid if it is going in the selling side, and I will be considering only buy. And my risk is like when it's going to give a breakout of this trend line, I will be definitely my limit orders going to punch, and I will be looking for 500 firstly. And I have done one scalp in the buy side from the 400 as a support. So let's see two things you can do. This is a perfect bounce label and a good support. Selling I am not considering. If you are your analysis, your setup is allowing you to take a trade in the selling side, so you can go ahead. But totally a buy on dip, certain kind of market, and fair Friday's breakout is totally sustainable, and it has done a consolidation since morning. So this is a perfect time where it's ready to give a breakout by today or tomorrow, whichever is possible. I will be looking for an opportunity in the buy side only in the Sensex and Nifty, and then I will be look for Bank Nifty as well in the buy side. So a big move towards 25,700 in this expiry is very much likely to happen, and in Sensex as well, like we can see 84,000 it's possible, and by today or tomorrow I don't know, but you can just make your limit orders, and when it's going to be punch, just grab this opportunity in the buy side. And this is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose. If you are making any buy and sale as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor first. And totally kind of sideways market, but this is the time to give a breakout. That's very much likely to happen, possible. So risk to reward is very much good in this buy trade, so I'm looking for this. And you can also take as per your risk appetite and take your quantity low, because price action is bullish, and since Friday after 2 p.m. and the data is totally negative, so you are taking a vice versa situation at here. So, but this is probability is 80% is there. It will be touch to the resistance and give a breakout of this 500 zone. That is perfectly a bullish kind of structure according to the daily chart. So I am looking for the buying opportunity, especially in Nifty and Sensex. You can also consider it according to the price action. Till then Nifty is also giving you a breakout of this trend line, so Sensex it's very much likely to possible it can touch 83,500 by today itself, or 600. So as per your risk appetite, you can take this opportunity. And if you are watching my since till here, so you are very special. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I have seen people watch my videos on the regular basis, but they just forget to like and share, subscribe. So this is a humble request from my side. So just press the like button, so you will be going to appreciate my this totally analysis which is I'm giving you on daily basis, and this gives me a motivation as well, so that I can make more and more analysis and give you perfect trades according to my analysis, and you will make yourself profitable in this particular intraday, which is totally highly risky. So take position sizing very low, because data is negative, and go with the flow. And this is a 56 retracement level. So very much likely I will be going to square off on the resistance. First resistance is 500, and then we will be looking 550. So go ahead with the flow, which is totally a buy on dip setup. So, and you can take according to your risk appetite. So I already told you, take your quantity low, as the market is not so much volatile and volumes are not there. So this is Ankita Agnihotri signing off. Love you all. Bye bye.